Hello, how are you? The topic of this video is GitHub Tutorial 3 Preparation GitHub Repository. Since you arrive at this point, I assume you have decided to explore GitHub. Welcome to the club. In this series of tutorials, I plan to share the workflow that works for me, and I'm also using it regularly. There are alternatives that may be either more elegant or more advanced. After you have learned one method, you can derive the approach that is more suitable for your situation by practice and research. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to log into your GitHub account at this link, www.github.com. If you don't have an account, no worry. It takes around 5 minutes to sign up for one. In the same webpage for sign in, it has a form to sign up. Enter a username as you choose. It will also be the root name in web address of all your repositories. Enter your email address. Make sure it's a real one that you can receive the message from GitHub. It will be used right away to verify your account, so don't make up a fake email. Enter a password that meets the security requirements. After click the button Sign up for GitHub, you will receive an email similar to the one shown on this slide. Click Verify Email Address to complete the sign-up process. Now you have a GitHub account. Log in and proceed to the next step, creating a repository. Click plus icon at the upper right corner and then select New Repository. Type a name for your repository and write down description in the relevant field. Choose to make the repository public. A public repository is visible to everyone. You can create a README, which is a document describing your project. When you are finished, click Create Repository button. Here is a sample of the newly created repository webpage. Play around and look at various items. For now, there's only one file in this repository. It's readme.md. That's all the essential information that I want to include in this part of the tutorial. If you are ready to move on, please continue to watch the next part in the preparation stage. Install Git on your computer. Thanks for watching.